Ang dami kong nakitang mga makeup na hindi ko pa guys ina-unbox. I haven't seen this box actually guys for, I don't know, probably like few months since I got it. Pag may topak ako sa ulo guys, nakikita ko lahat yung mga bagay na binili ko noon. Katapos hindi ko na o-open. Good morning! So, it's early morning right now. You know what? Actually, guys, pagpasok ko guys dito sa studio ko, ewan ko ba kung ano yung nasa isip ko, pero ang dami kong nakitang mga makeup na hindi ko pa guys ina-unbox sa inyo. So, meron ako guys dito na set of MAC and then other stuff guys that I wanted to do unboxing with you guys. But anyway guys, this is going to be fun because as like I said earlier, I haven't seen this box actually guys for, I don't know, probably like few months since I got it. I think the lighting is okay because that is the natural light and I didn't like the lighting earlier, so I kind of opened up a little bit, and then my plant needs some morning sunlight. But anyway guys, let's start this unboxing. So we're going to start on this one. I can't believe why I forgot to unbox this a few months ago, actually. This is one of my favorite makeup that I use, you know, for a long time. The mall that I used to buy this is actually closed because of the earthquake. Because we had the earthquake a few years ago and it was really bad. It was 7.2, I think. The store didn't make it, so they decided to close their store. So that means I have to buy this in different states. So I wanted to show you guys this, what inside in this one, and then also this box because this one came in and it just forgot. So let's start it on this MAC because oh god, I love this MAC guys. You're gonna like this one too. Let's do the free stuff first. Actually guys, there's a video of this one when I was purchasing, so you guys get to see it. So guys, this is the travel lipstick and that's $59.50. I'm getting this because I'm traveling to somewhere and it's easy to carry guys. They're mini and they're beautiful, and they do have this one type too. So I'm debating about getting this set guys. It's 117. I think this is a set right there, 117 and 61. And this is the contour. This is the foundation. I haven't had a chance to try this before. I did a while, like long time ago before I start doing my YouTube. MAC has a really good foundation, so I'm going to try some of the foundation in here and also the powder. This is the powder guys. And this is the lipstick too. I'm going to get some lipstick as well too. I think I'm getting this color because it's lighter, and some dark one in here. This one guys is pretty cool. I haven't tried this. See guys, it's an 8 hours wear for the MAC. So guys, this is what I got. Look at that. So I got a free bag right here. And then I have my foundation, I have lipstick, I have eyeshadow. See guys, MAC Destination Fabulous. The reason why I actually bought this is because of the traveling. So this is actually a travel makeup. I like this one because it's black and white guys. Look, it's black and white. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna do a separate video for this one. This is great guys because this is the set of lipstick and it's only for traveling set, and you can only buy this when you travel or in the airport. Actually, this is in the airport. That's why the bag, you know, the logo, you only get this when you travel. So, ooh, that's foundation. Oh my god. I gosh, look. Like I said, the store actually closed, so I couldn't get this type of foundation, but I love this foundation, guys. It's so nice. So I was walking around on the airport, and then I saw the store and I said I couldn't resist to get it. So like, oh my god, I need to buy Pube this one so I won't run out right away. And the lady she was so nice that, because you know you can't try your skin match, so what she did a little bit different for me, so she did actually match my skin. But anyway, it was a really wonderful moment and talking to her too as well too. So it was great. My layover was wonderful, guys. It's because she was really nice, and we were just talking about things like makeup and then the state and then other stuff. So a good experience for shopping in MAC. It was great. What else did I have? Oh, I have the keychain. She gave me this. There. It's like a keychain MAC. So this one is like an eyeshadow MAC. This is mini, guys. You can travel this. And this is the mini lipstick. They're all mini, guys. It's because it's for travel. Great for traveling, guys. This one is not for traveling, but I love the color of this. Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay nito, guys. I used to have this color, guys, before the store closed in here in Alaska. So when I saw this in her store, I was like, oh, I have to have that. So I went and get this. This is a beautiful. I'll show you guys this. This is my liquid foundation that I use for years and years, guys. I love MAC. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys this. This one is like the eyeshadow, guys. Like that. This is a really pretty color. So that is the set, guys. And then let's move on with this one. So this one, it has like a little bit mix of different things. This is the ELF Como. I need to try this, guys. I haven't tried this. And then this is the mascara. I wanted to do a video for that. Oh my god, I'm excited for that one. And then I do have Morphe in here. This is actually a new liquid foundation for Morphe. Let's try to open this. There you go, guys. It's the Morphe liquid foundation. Hopefully this is my skin tone, guys. Like I said, I purchased this one, guys, and I totally forgot already. So, and that comes with brushes. This one, guys, is from Shane. There are two different type of liquid matte lipstick. So I got this. This is Shane lipsticks too. I love their lipstick, guys. It's because they're really great and they're affordable. I have to do a different video for this one, guys, because you guys will love it. And this one, guys, the skinny brows. Let's open up this. I have to learn how to do like using this one for my brows. I still have some issue on my brows, guys. I'm not very good at it. What else do I have? Oh, this is the eyeliner. So duo eyeliner from Shane. Let's open this. This is, let's see. So it's the one. Honestly, guys, I like their liquid eyeliner. Maganda siya, guys. Murang-mura pa siya, guys. Shiglan brand from Shane, actually. And they're so affordable, guys. This is the Wink It. Actually, nakita ko to, guys, sa Instagram. Pero, the one that I saw, it was a different brand. So, I never order for them, so I don't trust, I guess, something like that if I don't know what the company, and it's kind of like fishy for me, so I didn't want to order there. This is what it looks. So, parang ganyan siya. Katapos, ay, para makita niya. Ang ganda, no? Try natin, no? So, yan ang mga nakuha ko, guys, sa Sugarlands. But I wanted to try this for, let's try it guys. Linisin ko yun aking lipstick. Alam nyo guys, pag may topak ako sa ulo guys, nakikita ko lahat yung mga bagay na binili ko noon. Katapos hindi ko na o-open. Parang I shop inside my own house or shop on my own studio. Kasi pag ewan ko ba, pag masaya ako, bila ko nang bili. Katapos, nakakalimutan ko na lang. Diba? Ayan! Lumabas ang katotohanan! Ang gaganda pa naman ng kulay nito guys, ng binili ko. Ang gaganda niya. And I think this is $2. Wow! It's really worth it too. I like the Sheglan, although it's a cheap lipstick, but it actually lasts long. The feeling are wonderful guys. It's amazing. It's not like other cheap lipstick that's kind of yucky feeling, but this one is not. Let's try this. Try natin yung medyo dark. This is really nice, guys. Ang ganda niya, no? Ang ganda-ganda niya. It makes your lips really full. Like, pwede mo siyang yano sa labas ng lips line mo. Katapos, ang ganda ng resulta. Diba? Kaso lang, yun talagang lips mo, magiging plump siya. So, it's really worth it. $2? Yeah, I'll buy it. So, it's nice. And it's matte and ta-da! It's beautiful, guys. I like the color. I think I can wear this during day. It's not too bright. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below about this color. And the rest of that, guys, stay tuned for the next video because, guys, we'll do a different makeup review for Sheglan because we do have 2 sets of this lipstick and I wanted to do a separate video for this one. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and I hope you guys enjoy my shopping haul, guys. It's been a few weeks, a month for this makeup, so I'm glad that I didn't have to go out and to do the shopping, guys, before I do the video. So I already have it on my studio, so I'm really happy about that. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!